Hello everyone! It's been a while since I last posted a tutorial, and these days I found a super useful tool that 3ds Max has and that I had never used before. It places one object right on top of another, in this case a car on the asphalt, some plants on the floor of a terrace, a plate or glass on a table, etc. Because I always see scenes where this type of thing fails, there are always objects flying. Well, as you can see, we have a scene here in which we have a group of plants on a terrace. To do this, we'll go to the Edit menu, go to Transform Tools, and then modify the pivot point. We select Affect Pivot Only and click on it to adjust it to the Z-axis. At that same moment, the pivot is placed exactly at the lowest point of the object we're using, in this case the plant pots. If we also use the Select and Place tool, we know that dragging it on a surface will place it right above that surface. It can be horizontal or vertical, sometimes to place a lamp on a ceiling or to hang a painting on a wall. Another thing I often encounter is that the objects we put as decoration on a table aren't properly placed right above it. Or the table and chairs themselves are sometimes below the floor or a little above it. To do this, we use the same tool again. Set the pivot point so that it affects only the Z-axis. We see that it adjusts it specifically to the lowest part of the object. We use the Select and Place tool again. We drag it a little in the scene and see that it can place it right above the terrace floor, or on the edge, or wherever we've chosen. We could use the same operation for plates or glasses, so that they are always right above a surface and not always with a small offset. I hope this little trick, which has helped me a lot over the past few months, has been helpful to you. See you in the next tutorial.